Hey guys, happy iPhone XR launch date. It is officially here. Apple has launched their third model of iPhone today, and it's available in store in several different colors, but I went with the product red. It's the most sought after. The beautiful red and black just looks amazing on this new iPhone. And I'm going to be comparing it real quickly here to previous generations of product red iPhones and the iPhone XS here. Let's go ahead and open the box. Of course, the unboxing experience, it's going to be pretty similar to before. Nothing special here. It's just we like to unbox these devices, so let's go ahead and get it out of the box. With the product red iPhones, you get the red tab here indicating that it is a product red device. You get your Apple stickers. You also get the same stuff that you always get with other iPhones, including a SIM extractor right there. So move that to the side. Here is the device. Let's go ahead and move it to the side here quickly. Same stuff in there, just the headphones, cable, wall adapter, nothing much. So here it is. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the new iPhone XR. Look at that beautiful red color. Let's go ahead and peel this off. And there it is. That is going to be the cleanest you will ever see this iPhone. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the shiny red versus the red on the iPhone 7 Plus here. You see the matte finish red, which I love. This is probably my favorite iPhone of all times. I wish they would have made the front black just like they did with this one here. But here is the new product red iPhone XR. So I went ahead and set up the iPhone XR just to share the display with you guys. Now, coming from an iPhone XS that I've been using for the last several months, one thing is relatively noticeable to me is the bezels are larger. And that's something that we knew already, but it's something that if you're coming from an iPhone XS, you'll definitely notice. The iPhone XR is slightly thicker. It's got one single camera instead of the dual camera, although it still does the portrait mode using software. It's also an LCD display. Apple makes really good LCD display, but this is a sub 720 display, which I'm not going to judge until I really use it outside. The brightness on the OLED displays here on the iPhone XS and XS Max is fantastic, so hopefully the LCD that Apple put on the iPhone XR will perform well. Another thing to note is that the iPhone XR does have a larger display than the iPhone XS, as you see here. It is heavier as well. The iPhone XR is slightly heavier and thicker, but we also have the monstrous iPhone X Max, which is towering over everybody. I'll definitely be testing this device to its full potential, but of course, those color reds are just so much different. Which one do you prefer? iPhone XR red or iPhone 7 red? Leave your comment down below, because I think I prefer iPhone 7. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.